What is inside a Stellar Crown ETB? Well, let's go ahead and show you guys and also open the packs. You got a little book that kind of goes over the gameplay and also the cards that you can get. For this, if you guys go ahead and pull apart, now we're just doing it rough, but pull apart this seam, you got a cool little backdrop. So a lot of people love that. This is the ETB. Lift this up. You also got this to use as a backdrop if you'd like. You got dice, tokens. We got some packs that are running away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 crown packs. Some basic energy cards. Some sleeves. And inside, we got our promo with some custom card dividers. So let's go ahead and open up these packs. Let's show you the hits. Okay, so I haven't looked at any of the hit cards. I just removed the code cards. So let's go ahead and we're gonna skim through this pretty quickly here just to get to the foils. So nothing in there. Nothing in there. Oof. There's a hit. Let's go. These cards are so nice. Set that off for penny sleeving. Nothing in there. So ETBs are definitely a hit or miss. Okay, so we got a second hit. Let's go. Oops. I got mixed up here. Alright, so nothing there. There's another hit. Ooh. Gulpin'. Gulp, gulp. So that's actually pretty good. Wow, another hit. Oh my word. That's really good. 4 hits. How many are we going to end up? Is that it? That's it. Okay, so we ended up with 4 hits out of 9 packs. That's actually pretty good. That's very, very good, my friends. I'm super happy with that.